Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your EA games on the EA app using your PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the left hand side, click on My Library. Here you will see all the games you have installed. Now find the game you want to update. If an update is available, you will see a small dot arrow icon or a message that says update available right on the game. To start updating, simply right click the game and choose update. The EA app will then begin downloading and installing the latest version of that game automatically. If you want the EA app to always keep your game up to date, click on the three lines at the top menu. Now click on settings. After that, tap on download. Make sure the option of update games automatically is turned on. That way your games will update on their own whenever you are connected to the internet. If the game is not updating properly, you can also right click it and choose repair. This will check for missing files and fix any problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.